Hi, I'm Barry Rubin from Keswick, Ontario, and the Canadian Tire Tested for Life program sent me the EV675 robot. I've put the Bissell EV675 robot to the test on hardwood floors, also on carpet. Easily goes up onto any area rug. You can control it with the remote, very intuitive, very user-friendly. I've also had it go to the edge of stairs. As it says, it won't fall over any edges, and it doesn't lie when it says that. It can go over a high pile rug, such as this. It does have a little bit of trouble when it is too high, but does manage to get through it. It's also very good at going under small spaces and finding its way out. As you can see, it does sometimes get stuck on the rug, but it will then find its way over and get out. But it will keep going. And as you see here, it will come to the edge and it will stop and knock over. I would definitely recommend the Bissell EV675 robot to any family or friends. Given the affordable price compared to most in the market, I find that the value that you get with this product and the features that it does have, although limited compared to some that I've read, does stack up and work quite well compared to the competition. And so I would definitely recommend this product.